This beautiful 2003 Infiniti G35 gets an estimated 26 miles per gallon on the highway, has 86,567 miles, and it also qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle has comfortable seats, and is equipped with a balanced 3.5-liter 6-cylinder 24-valve engine, a fluid transmission, and has rear-wheel drive. Its electronic features include RDS audio system with AM/FM radio, CD player, cassette, a disc auto changer and a 6-disc remote CD changer and a 6-speaker in-cabin sound system. For the safety of you and your passengers, this vehicle has a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system, 4 ventilated disc brakes and both driver and passenger front, multi-stage deploying airbags with occupant sensors. Carfax has not received any information indicating that the airbags have been deployed. Call or come in today to schedule a test drive.